just got off the phone with the girl who loves you too. Said you're working on yourself, is she helping with that too? You gave her the time of day.
Auguri Roni! Ciao Kuya Roni!
Ciao po!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Kuya.
Happy birthday, Kikay.
Kuya.
Kuya.
Roni.
Roni.
Aguri.
Kuya.
Yan, happy birthday Master Bembang. Voice over ko lang muna kasi malakas ang ulan din nung nag-video ako. Basta happy birthday and more Bembangs to come. Damihan mo ang pagbembang ka, Ate Source. Ayan, happy birthday. Mag-iingat ka dyan palagi and good health always. Ingatan ng kalusugan. Balita ko magpapa-Jollibee ka daw kasi birthday mo. Totoo ba, Master Bembang? Ayan, by the way, happy birthday again. Bye-bye. Hello, Master Ron. Happy birthday sa'yo, Master. Ayan, mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo. Ayan, ingat lagi dyan sa work mo. At huwag mo kakalimutan si Ate Source. Happy birthday sa'yo, Master.
Hello, my love, shout out everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening sa inyong lahat. Ayun, ibabati ko lamang si Manong Ron, Master Ron Official. Happy birthday, Manong Ron. Enjoy your day. Mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo. Ayan, ingat palagi at maraming salamat sa support palagi. Ayan, enjoy your day. Happy birthday from Team Danga.
Hi, Master. Happy birthday. Enjoy your day. More blessings to come and keep safe always. Mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo.
Hello sa lahat. Magandang umaga, magandang hapon, at saka magandang gabi sa ating lahat at sa inyong lahat. Ayan. Ako nga pala si Jocelyn Ami o Ami Jo Channel. Andito ako sa inyong harapan upang batiin si Master Ron ng happy birthday. Master Ron, happy birthday. Mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo. More birthdays to come in your life and always good health. Enjoy celebrating your birthday with your family, friends, and also dito sa YT World. At saka mag-ingat ka lagi sa iyong trabaho. Lalong-lalo na makikita ka namin na every premiere mo ay nasa bubong ka. Mag-ingat ka po lagi sa pag-akyat sa bubong o anumang ginagawa mo doon naglilinis. Mag-ingat ka po lagi. Si Lord ay nagagabay palagi sa inyo. More blessings to come and more revenue to come in your YT channel. Happy birthday, Master Ron. God bless.
Mag-ingat ka lagi dyan. Happy birthday.
Master Ron, happy birthday sa'yo. More birthdays to come to celebrate. And God bless you always. Ingat palagi dyan. Happy birthday.
Daddy Ron, happy birthday po.
Happy birthday, Ron.
Hi Kuya Ron, happy birthday. Enjoy your special day and wish you all the best. God bless.
Kuya Ron, happy birthday. Wish you all the best. Ano nga ba? Yun lang. Happy birthday ulit.
birthday.
Kuya Ron, happy birthday. More birthday sa iyo. Ingat kayo dyan sa inyong work.
Happy Ron. Happy birthday, Kuya Ron.
Kuya Ron, happy birthday. God bless po.
Happy birthday, Kuya Ron. Happy birthday, Ninong Ron.
Hey, Master Ron. Mag-ingat ka palagi dyan. Yun lang. Happy birthday.
Hello, Ron! Happy birthday! Ingat ka dyan. God bless!
Birthday, Tito Ron. Happy birthday, Ninong Ron. Ingat po dyan. Huwag po kayo magpapakasakit.
Ron, happy birthday. Mag-iingat ka palagi. Lagi mong iisipin. Nandito lang kami. Pag uwi mo ha, masalubong. Kumusta na lang sa inyong lahat dyan? Sa nanay mo, sa mga pinsan mo dyan, sa inyo lahat-lahat. Stephen, kumusta mo kami? Mag-ina. Alam na nila yun.
Si Lola naman.
Yan, happy birthday. Padalan mo ako ng ano rin.
Nagme-maintenance na.
Nagme-maintenance sa gamot. Na high blood.
Titirik ang mata. Pag umiinom. Eme, oh. Lasing eh. Uminom na naman eh. Galing ng birthday. Abi, sabi mo, mahiyain. Totoo, mahiyain. Okay na. Bye-bye. See you. Ingat.
Ganun na ba eh?
Happy birthday, Kuya Ron. More blessings to come. Ingat dyan. Palagi. God bless you always. Tama yan mo, baby yan. Ito si Sayden. Malaki na. Bumati ka kanino. Batiin mo ninong ng happy birthday. Ninong ka mo. Paglaki ko.
Hi pa! Happy birthday! Ay, Bitaw, happy birthday! Stay healthy! More blessings to come. Happy birthday again!